Hi, today we are going to learn how to make shortcut keys for any tool or option in CorelDRAW. We are taking an example to create shortcut key for power clip option. We will place this image in a polygon shape with the help of shortcut key. Go to the tool menu in the menu bar, Options and Customization. A dialog box will be open. Click on Commands. You can see all menus on the right drop-down bar. Choose Objects. You can check the current shortcut keys of any option by clicking. They are already assigned. Now search power clip inside. Type A in the new shortcut key bar and click the Assign button. Now current shortcut key is A. You can delete this shortcut and type out your new shortcut key. Click OK. Now select an image, press A to place in a polygon shape. You can adjust position and scale by power clip option. Using the same method you can create shortcut for other tools. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, click the like icon, smash the subscribe button and don't forget to press bell icon for our latest tutorial.